just in the last 7 days.
$59,000 in sales as
for $6,000 in 48 hours.
$80,000 profit by being an affiliate on TikTok.
$1,276. So I made $50,000 in the month of January.
This is a gold mine in 2024. It took roughly 2 hours to create this AI generated video, which is 37 seconds long, which has generated $76,430 in revenue in the last 7 days from a small creator who's barely got 3,000 followers on TikTok. And this creator is, of course, a TikTok shop affiliate. They haven't even got 5,000 followers yet, meaning they started promoting products as TikTok shop affiliates from 0 followers. What is this sorcery? What is happening with TikTok in 2024? What is this money glitch? Let's play the video to get an idea of how complicated this is. Bog standard AI generated video, nothing new at all. Let's play a little bit more. Some people might even go as far as saying this is not that good of an AI generated video. So it could have taken the creator less than even the 2 hours that I've mentioned, maybe an hour, maybe less than even an hour to create this 37-second video. There are people that are making much better AI videos, taking much longer time, that are earning exactly $0 on TikTok right now because they are targeting other monetization systems like the creativity program beta, like the creator fund, like the other ways to make money on TikTok. Crazy. So again, this is not even that good of a video, 37 seconds long, but yet it's generated in the last 7 days $76,430 US dollars. It's pulled 2.3 million views and it sold just over 1,400 units of this creatine infused gummies. This person has got less than even 3,000 followers. No advertising was used, so they did not pay for ads or anything of that sort, because it would show here. By the way, I'm using Kalodata. I've linked it in the description if you want to try it out and use it yourself. For the people that use my link, I've negotiated a 10% discount, so you're going to get it cheaper than the normal standard price. And this is where I'm getting this information from. All I've done is go onto the main page and I've gone onto video at the top there, and it's taken me onto this particular page. By the way, quick interruption just to say I have a whole playlist on how to create AI generated videos using AI tools linked in the description. So that's the reason why I'm not going into too much detail in this video. The words money glitch gets thrown around a lot on the internet nowadays, and a lot of it, to be honest, 95% of it is probably garbage, but this is a real opportunity for TikTok shop affiliates in 2024. If you're down on your luck, if you're wanting to make a bit of extra money in 2024, and it just so happens that TikTok shop affiliate is available in your country, and you've got a tool like Kalodata which tells you exactly what to post, how to post it, how to frame it. This shows you the tags that you use, this shows you the sounds, this shows you how long your videos should be. This even allows you to download the video script so you can see what videos like this that are already high performing videos that are generating a lot of money. You can see what the creators are saying exactly in these videos. In fact, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to click on download script. The script is downloading, as you can see on the bottom right. There we go. We've got the script. It's barely one paragraph that's generated all this money. And what I can even do is ask AI to break this script down into a hook, body, and call to action, which is generally what a lot of scripts look like on TikTok, a lot of high performing scripts. So if I click on AI optimize, please break this down into hook, body, and CTA. Kalo AI is analyzing the script. It's now generating the hook, the body, and the call to action. So it is literally giving you the information that you need to use in order to stand a chance of having a high performing video like these creators here. And the crazy thing is, this is not the only one. If I go back on top and click on video, you'll see there are tons of creators that are making stupid money promoting products as TikTok shop affiliates on TikTok. And it's very, very simple. All you do, if you see one of those videos on TikTok where a creator is promoting a product and you can see that they've got this little basket at the bottom that they ask you to click on and purchase products, that's literally all it is. They say something about a product on a video, they encourage people to click the basket. Once people click the basket and purchase the product, the shop makes money and the creator gets a commission out of that amount. And that's it. And the video that I've just talked about is at the bottom there. So this creator could have easily made, going by the commission percentages shops offer on TikTok, out of that revenue, if the shop offered them 10%, which is very unlikely because shops tend to offer at least 15-20% or more on products like this because they want to encourage TikTok shop affiliates to promote their products. And the TikTok shop affiliates will only promote your product if you're offering reasonable commission, 20, 30, 40%. If you're offering a measly 5-6% commission, no one is going to promote your product. So it's likely they got around 20% for this product, which would have been around what, $14,000 in the last 7 days, and that would have gone into their pockets. Even if they got 10%, which is very, very small, they would have received $7,600 in their pockets as a TikTok shop affiliate in the last 7 days alone. 2,800 followers, 37-second video. Not even that good of an AI video, but they've managed to create this much. And in terms of how you create videos like this, it is not complicated. Now, the mad thing about this creator is they've not even shown the actual product anywhere in this video. Yes, they are talking about it, but they don't show the product. I would highly encourage you to show the product at one point in the video though, because it is risky for you to not show the product, because the TikTok AI does look for the product that you are promoting somewhere within your video, whether it's your video, whether it's someone else's. Have a real video in there somewhere of someone holding the product that you are promoting in your hands, so the TikTok AI can see that you are genuinely promoting a product. So that's the only critique that I've got for this video. Apart from that, they've not even purchased the product that they're promoting, but yet they've generated that much. And here's a bunch of other creators that are promoting exactly the same product. And I think that's another AI video there on the top right, which again has generated in the last 7 days 2,000. They've generated 2K, they've generated 3K, he's generated 9K, they've generated 16K, and so forth. So people are making money using TikTok shop affiliates. Absolutely mad. This is a gold mine in 2024. The next wave of TikTok millionaires. They haven't even got 5,000 followers yet, meaning they started promoting products as TikTok shop affiliates from 0 followers.